Welcome to a whole new way of saving. Introducing the exclusive Universal Clubshop's offline gifted cashback, the first of its kind. Imagine this. Every time you make a purchase, whether it's your morning coffee, groceries, a gas fill-up, or even a doctor's visit, you instantly earn cashback up to 15%. But here's the twist. You don't need to do anything extra. No coupons, no codes, and no special requests at the counter. Your everyday purchases, anytime, anywhere, automatically give you cashback. This is more than just another rewards program. It's a financial revolution. From restaurants to pharmacies, supermarkets to travel tickets, wherever you spend, cashback is gifted to you on the spot. And the best part? It's universal. Whether you're in your hometown or traveling the world, your cashback never stops. Welcome to a world where your everyday spending turns into real, growing rewards in dollars. Here's how it works. 1. Register for free as a club shopper to start earning cashback on all your usual offline expenses. 2. Offline shopping. Just upload any receipt through your dashboard and see your gifted cashback credited instantly. 3. Online shopping. Keep shopping at the same big brand stores you already love. Just enter them through the International Clubshop Mall first, so your purchases are automatically tracked and generate cashback. With thousands of stores available, your online shopping can earn you cashback at any time. Now here's how you unlock that gifted cashback. Once your online purchases total $500, your pending offline cashback becomes payable. For example, if you've spent $500 offline and $500 online, your 5% gifted offline cashback, that's $25, becomes available for withdrawal. But here's where it gets even better. As a VIP member, you can triple your cashback. Instead of earning $25 for that $500, you'd earn $75 in offline cashback. And as a VIP, you unlock the power to build a significant stream of passive income by earning commissions on other people's everyday shopping, both offline and online. Imagine earning whenever others shop too. To learn more about how you can maximize your earnings as a VIP, be sure to check out our next video. Start saving and earning effortlessly right now. This is Universal Offline Gifted Cashback, the future of everyday savings.